Okay, so all of these, big C is the 90-degree angle, little c is the hypotenuse. You're going to draw the same triangle for each one, but you got to put things where they go. So if I draw this triangle, it's going to be a right triangle. Put in my right angle. This is little c. A and B, why don't we just put A there and B there? That means that big A is opposite little a, and big B is opposite little b, and big C is opposite little c. We're going to put the numbers. It's just easier if you do this. And in this case, they gave us B, right? They want the secant, and cosine of A would be adjacent over hypotenuse. So secant of A would be hypotenuse over adjacent. Everybody agree with that?
Yes.
So we do need to figure out what the C is because we need the hypotenuse and they didn't give it to us. If they give you what you need, you're done. Just make the fraction and get the radicals out of the basement. If they don't, you've got to find it. So 2 squared plus 3 squared equals c squared. 4 plus 9 equals c squared. 13 equals c squared. C equals square root of 13. And now we just do square root of 13 over 2. And we are completely done. I'm going to draw the same triangle that we did before. And I put big A, big B, big C, little b, little c, little a. And this is an A here. I can't draw. Okay. And now they said that A is 10 and B is 3 root 21. And they need cotangent. So if the tangent of A is opposite over adjacent, the cotangent of A is adjacent over opposite. So the answer here is going to be 3 root 21 over 10. And since the 3 and the 10 can't be reduced, you can't do anything there. The radical can't be reduced because it's 7 times 3, there's no pair. You can't do anything there. And the radical's not in the basement. You're done. Now remember that little a is just the side opposite big A. It is not the adjacent. The name of the side is A, B, and C, but adjacent would be the side beside angle A, and the hypotenuse would be the one opposite the 90-degree angle. Then the other one would be the opposite. So don't get confused with the A's.